Hello, I'm Ryan O'Connell, and I want to run through some e-learning that I've created to show off the sorts of things that I can make. So this has been created using Captivate, and I'm currently running it in IE. It's now the published version. So it's a very simple bit of e-learning that I've created here, which just talks about getting used to the ribbon in Word 2007. Normally, I'd have a guide on how to use this e-learning, but as this is just a demonstration version, I've not included that with this. The background and any icons and buttons that you'll see have all been created by myself using Photoshop. So I'll just go through and click on the ribbon. And at the beginning of each module, there's objectives and what you should expect to be able to get out of this e-learning session. So I'll click to continue, and down here you'll see where I've got my play, previous, restart, main menu buttons, and again they were all created by me. There's always breadcrumbs which will sort of let you know exactly where you are within the section, and then down here is some writing, and there'll either be information or an instruction. So in this case it's just given me an overview of what we're going to cover. I'll click next to continue, and you'll see here that I've got an instruction, and it's asking me to click the office button, and when I click that you see it moves on to the next slide, and the screenshot will show you what you'd expect to see within Word. So there's lots of information and instructions to help the user get used to using this new bit of software. So if I click next to continue here, there's lots of different things we can do with Captivate that I've used in the past, such as quizzes and getting users to type in particular words to obtain certain results. It's quite a good bit of software that I've used here. So I'll click next a few times and go through some of these tasks here. You'll see that it's demonstrating the dialog box and some of the different functions. I find that Captivate's really good when you're trying to teach users to how to do a particular task. So for example, if you wanted to teach your users to set up a meeting using Outlook, some of the features in Outlook 2007 are excellent, then that's where this really comes into its own, I believe. And similarly with some of the functions in Excel 2007, whether it's basic functions or some of the more advanced functions, this Captivate and this e-learning is really very good for it. Okay, so I'll click next to continue, and again I'm being instructed to enter a header, and when I enter this header here, you'll see that it's asking me to click in here and start typing. And one of the nice features of Captivate is that you can ensure that users type in particular words. So I typed in Word 2007 guide, pressed enter, and it's taken me onto the next slide. Close and return there, click next to continue, and that's just taken me to the end of this little Captivate session. So I do try to ensure that there's a consistent look and feel across the different e-learning modules. There's obviously a blue theme for this because this is Word. There's a more green theme for Excel, and so on. And it's little things like that just to help the users see a bit of consistency when they're using their e-learning. So I just wanted to enable you to see the type of work that I've created. If you've got any questions, then please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.